Hello everybody, my name is Linda Davis. I'm the owner and operator of Burdock Nettle. Here at Burdock Nettle, we do a variety of things. We grow our own herbs. We make healthy, chemical-free herbal products for people and pets. And I offer 5 workshops every summer. They're held all outdoors and 2 online during the winter. So these 5 workshops are all about learning about wild foraging, different herbs that you can take to help you maintain a balance in life. It's learning about the energy of the herb and your energy and how you can match the two together so that you create the right choice of herbs for you. One is the Discover Nature's Medicine Cabinet. The next one is Herbal Energetics. Then there is a workshop called Interconnectedness, where we look at how the mind and the thoughts create what goes on in your body, how it interacts with the different organs. And then we also look at the vibrations around you, color, sound, people, nature, and how they influence your body-mind connection. The next workshop that we hold is called The Goddess Remembered. And this is all about looking at the traditional medicine wheel as well as the traditional Chinese medicine and how those two different modalities, very different modalities, are actually very similar and how they work together to help remind you of the power that you have and how you can create the person that you want to be. The final workshop is very different, and it's about tea tasting. Learning about the 5 different categories of tea and how they're grown, the health benefits of tea, how to pair them with food. So that, in a nutshell, is what Burdock Nettle is all about.